Dolly! 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 Come on, Dolly! Dolly got out of the house. Oh my God. Dolly went into the trees. Sorry about Charlie, to see if Charlie will talk to her. This is ridiculous. Dolly! Where are you? So frustrating. Call Dolly over here, Charlie. Where's Dolly at? I think the bird is long gone. Dolly! Dolly! That can't be real.
Yeah, it's fake as fuck.
Oh my God, I thought it was real.
Grandma said there's owls at night.
That was weird. So they found Dolly at McAdams Park, 6 miles away from the house. Another lady tried saying it was her bird, and it wasn't. They took it to Birds of Paradise, and I gotta go pick her up at 3 o'clock. She's skinny from not eating for a few days and exhausted. I'm getting her wings clipped. So they found Dolly at McAdams Park, 6 miles away from the house. Another lady tried saying it was her bird, and it wasn't. They took it to Birds of Paradise, and I gotta go pick her up at 3 o'clock. She's skinny from not eating for a few days and exhausted. I'm getting her wings clipped. So some lady messaged me, or actually my old coworker messaged me, and she said somebody's found a cockatiel and you need to message this lady. So I messaged her, and she said that Dolly was by third base by a dead tree. It was 11 o'clock at night, and I was walking McAdams Park by myself calling Dolly. But as soon as the lights go out, they're like Furbies. They go right to sleep. So anyways, I was so tired yesterday. I thought for sure she flied off, but again, some guy found her. So I gotta go pick her up at 3 o'clock. Thank goodness. Charlie, are you ready to see Dolly? She's coming home. Dolly's coming home. Yeah, we're gonna go get her. Somebody found her in a tree. Dolly! Dolly's coming home. Big Mama?
You be nice.
Big Mama?
It's okay.
Oh. Then what happened to her eye?
Oh, it was poked out in the Humane Society.
Oh.
She came over here from the Amazon to be drinking the breed of the Amazon. And as soon as she was done breeding, they just basically tossed her to the side.
Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Well, I'm glad you got her. Hi, Big Mama. Hi, Big Mama.
It's okay.
Oh.
Yeah, birds escaping definitely more often than we would like.
Yeah.
Birds getting reunited with their family. That's the
good
that's the
part.
that's a little few and far between.
Hi, Dolly. What have you been doing for 2 days? What have you been doing? Well, thank you so much for everything. I appreciate
Sure,
it.
absolutely.
All right. Well, we got Dolly's wings clipped. And Charlie, he doesn't look too happy, but they'll be okay. I don't think it's a cruel thing. It's for their safety because of issues like this. Birds get out of the house. They get killed. They get stolen. They get eaten by other animals. It's just not worth it. It's just not. So don't think of wing clipping as something bad. They get used to it. They don't even pay no mind to it. She's tired and she's ready to go home. Welcome home, Charlie. Welcome home, Charlie, and welcome home, Dolly. So, Birds of Paradise is located in Wichita. The ladies owned the store for about 40 years. So if you want to get, a good store, people drive from all around Kansas just to come to this bird store. It's amazing. It's like a field trip. So, and I forgot to mention, just to end the video, so Dolly landed on this guy's shoulder while they were taking a walk at the park. And a lady comes running over and starts saying, "That's my bird." Well, he started thinking about it for a couple minutes, and then all of a sudden, Dolly starts singing La Cucaracha. And he had seen the online post on Facebook that he heard that a lady lost a cockatiel that likes to sing La Cucaracha. He knew immediately that she was lying. So he said, no. So he took Dolly to the Birds of Paradise and brought her into the store today. I had contacted Birds of Paradise last night, sending them an email letting them know that I had lost a bird. Well, when the gentleman brought Dolly into the pet store into Birds of Paradise, another lady was interested in buying Dolly. She said, "If nobody claims him, I want him." We did initially think that Dolly was a girl. So you really can't tell their gender until they get a little bit older. Typically with cockatiels, their heads will start turning more yellow, which is typically the boys, which is a male. The males do talk and sing a lot more. So it turns out Dolly's not a girl.